This is the summary created from the video, Lecture 47 Oral Presentation Part I. The video summarizes the key aspects of oral presentations, including their unique characteristics, preparation stages, audience types, topic selection, content organization, presentation structure, conclusion techniques, and logistical considerations. In today's professional world, oral presentations are a crucial skill for success. Unlike other forms of public speaking, these presentations are demand-based, fact-oriented, and often include audiovisuals. They are designed to introduce new knowledge and seek approval from experts in various fields. Preparing for an oral presentation involves several key stages. The process begins with thorough planning and research, followed by writing and delivery. Presenters are encouraged to create more content than required, allowing for flexibility during the actual presentation. The goal is to spark interest and encourage further exploration of the topic. Understanding the types of audience members is essential for effective presentations. Presenters may encounter inverted reticent individuals, intelligent aggressors, submissive recipients, gloomy pessimists, and eager cooperators. Each type requires a different approach to ensure engagement and successful communication. When deciding on a presentation topic, speakers must differentiate between the aim and the subject. Gathering authentic data from various sources is crucial, as is mixing familiar ideas with innovative concepts to engage diverse audiences. The presentation should be simple, logical, clear, and supported by strong evidence. Organizing the presentation effectively is key to its success. George Miller's Magic Number 7 theory suggests limiting the main points to 7 or fewer. A recommended structure includes an introduction, 5 main points with interaction, and a conclusion. This framework helps presenters organize their content for maximum impact. The structure of a presentation typically consists of an introduction, main body, and conclusion. The introduction should be brief and attention-grabbing, establishing the speaker's credibility. The main body should present 5 discussion points, with connectives to maintain interest. Organizing the content chronologically or sequentially can enhance audience understanding. A strong conclusion is vital to a successful presentation. It should be a logical inference from the discussion, not an abrupt ending. Speakers are advised to make the ending as captivating as the beginning. Reviewing and paraphrasing key points with enthusiasm. Verbal signals can be used to indicate the approaching conclusion to the audience. Proper venue inspection and technical preparation are crucial aspects of delivering a successful presentation. Speakers should check for ventilation, podium condition, screen functionality, and ensure that necessary gadgets are available and working. Having a technician on hand can help address any potential technical issues that may arise. Adapting the presentation to the audience's needs is an important skill. Speakers may need to modify their pace and volume based on audience reactions. This flexibility, combined with thorough preparation, helps presenters feel more comfortable and confident during their delivery. In conclusion, mastering oral presentations is essential for professional success across various fields by understanding the unique aspects of presentations, preparing thoroughly, analyzing the audience, structuring content effectively, and ensuring technical readiness. Speakers can deliver impactful and engaging presentations that leave a lasting impression on their audience. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.